latte.
Yeah, iced or hot for you?
Ice. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. How you guys doing? So today I did bring my GoPro with me. A lot of you guys did recommend for me to strap something on my head while I drive. Yeah, so today we're pretty much gonna just do more testing on this Mustang Ecoboost, and yeah, and then hope you guys enjoy this GoPro view. Alright guys, I think I switched to the GoPro and hopefully the footage is good. I did a preview on over to my phone. Can't really see it, but it says preview not available, but I did kind of adjust it. So hopefully everything is good. I don't want to go home and there'll be like nothing there. Oh look, my car looks hella good. But I don't want to go home and then the footage is not even there. I'll be kind of pissed. Shit, man. Hope you guys enjoy this. Like, I know I look kind of weird with like a camera on top of me, but shit, man. Let's drive over to Mexico first and then do some pulls and like try to record shit. And hopefully the quality is pretty good. Hopefully the quality of the camera is pretty good too. It's like the first series of GoPros, so I don't know how that quality is, but whew. Where should I go? Where should I go? Let's try doing some right here. Let's go down a little. I had to readjust the camera a little. Kind of was like wide because it's too bright outside, you know, because the sun's out. S, third gear, traction control off. That's how we're gonna do it. Alright. Second, third. Alright. Let's get to 3K RPM. Let's just chill a little bit. And I think we're good. That was pretty good. Maybe we can do one like right here. Like 1, 2, 3. That's where we were, like, we're like, oh my god, this car. Good job, man. I'm gonna do a pat on my back. Shit, that felt good though. Nice horses. About to finish. So yeah, I just finished recording 2 of the pulls on my GoPro with the head strap. Yeah, that made it so much easier. I don't need anybody's help because I was just focusing on the car rather than the camera and like the access port. I'll just focus on driving, and yeah, it went smooth. I'm gonna try getting you guys a pull on this camera, see a different point of view. But there's gonna be a lot of cops today. I don't know why, but yeah, I've seen like at least 10 cops. Still sounds so good. Alright, just dialogued in the car, and now I'm just gonna check for updates for the access port, so that before sending I can just yeah, there's nothing. It's the latest one. Let's go back to manage. Let's go to data logs. So it's the data log 12 and 13 because it's a higher number. So yeah, I'm about to send 12 and 13 over. And also Ryan also mentioned that he's adding more wastegate duty. So pretty much this tune that I ran was kind of the same PSI. I just looked at the logs. It went up to 17 to 18 PSI. It obviously did feel faster, which I was like super excited about, but it was more efficient too. So yeah, I came back to Dutch to get a refresher because it is hella hot, bro. It's 92 degrees at 5:54. Yeah, this is the only E85 station that I know that's in town. But look at the price for this. I think it's like $333 for E85, which is, bro, it's so much cheaper than this. Look at that. 91 is $485, bro. This is gonna hit $5 probably in like a couple weeks. Man, you guys hear me complain about gases all the time, but $485 about to hit $5, bro. Like my car to fill up, it's about 15 gallons, like 16 gallons when I fill it up, and I already spend $60 on gas. Imagine $60 a week just on gas. It's Californian gas prices, that's what it is. So for Ryan, let's get to E85 as soon as possible. I really want to put E85 into my Mustang. I cannot afford 91. E85 still $380 something. That's not as bad as $5. I remember E85 used to be like high $2 something, or like low $3, but now it's still high, but it's not as bad. So we're back at the wash. Yeah, pretty much just enjoy. Finish washing it. I don't want to do the wipers because I don't know if they're dirty or not. So let me just take it over to a parking spot and just wipe it down. It's all cleaned up. It's way too loud to talk. So yeah, I'm pretty much done. The car looks so clean from the outside. I just love these cars, especially the Avalon and like the Lexus LS400, the IS300 models. The reason why is because if in those days, that's what I'm assuming, if somebody wanted a car or either a Toyota, they used to just buy a Camry. That's why we see a lot of Camrys right now. I barely see Avalons. I think I only seen like 3 or 4 ever since I bought this car, compared to like Camrys, which I literally see like over 10 times a day.